What's up, guys? This is Kim with Geauga Firearms Academy. I recorded some footage when we went to the NRA Annual Meeting, and I've been so busy I haven't even had time to make this intro, so I just thought I would show you guys some of this cool stuff we've seen. In case you guys are not aware, it is a free event. You have to have one person in your family who has a membership to the NRA, but it's a very family-friendly event, unlike, SHOT Show, which you have to be in the industry, and they're very particular about who goes. This one's very family-friendly, and they encourage you to bring your children. There is some cool stuff, like they did, gun giveaways, lots of free little swag, keychain stickers, patches, and things like that. And unlike SHOT Show, you can actually buy things there, so it's a fun event to visit. One funny thing is, on the way there, we actually took a road trip because it wasn't too far from us, and we stopped at Uranus, which is a fudge factory, so I'll put a funny picture I took there. One thing I'm always looking at when I'm out and about, especially at these kind of shows and things like that, is anything I think that could be helpful, and I always love to help little small businesses. So one of them was, I found this device that's supposed to help women or people with weak hands rack the slide, so I'm going to do a full review of this. But it's an American-made product, and so look for that soon. While we're at the meeting, I took some footage, like I said. We did bring our little ones, so I was kind of busy, so I didn't get to do a ton of footage. If you guys did see us, it was nice. A lot of people came and said hello and took pictures and things like that. We had the little one there, and she's so shy. She was so funny because when people would come up and say hello, she got shy, and she would just take the shade of her stroller and just put it up. But we had a great time, and so check out that footage.
Here we are, 2023 NRA show.
Hi guys, we're at the NRA Annual Meeting. We stopped by the Holosun booth. I just actually added an optic to my carry gun, so you'll be seeing more about that soon. So let's look at what other cool things they have here.
Hey guys, we're here at Geauga Firearms Academy here at the NRA 2023 show at the Holosun booth. And guys, what we have here is the new thermal optic from Holosun. This is the Thermal Pro. So what you see here on the side is a USB-C option as well as a battery compartment. The USB-C not only charges your batteries, but also gives you the ability to download your video. And yes, I said video, because here at the back, you do have the ability to record your video right there hitting that button. You also have an up and down arrow on the side. The up arrow gives you 1 to 8x digital zoom, and the down arrow allows you to change the different thermal versions that you're using. On this side of the optic, we do have our plus and minus buttons that increases and decreases your brightness or changes your reticle. Guys, this is gonna come in, right now it's in red or green, and we're excited to bring this to the market. Hopefully at the end of this year, beginning of next year, between 1,600 and 2,300 based on the model that you get. And then also, let's jump into one of my favorites here, and that is the new 507 Comp. So this is our new competition optic. Battery compartment here on the side, RMR footprint. Look at that luxurious window right there, guys. That thing is made for competition, it's made for putting rounds down range. On the other side, you have your plus and minus button to increase and decrease your brightness, as well as change your reticle. Guys, there's like 8 different reticles in this optic. Available in red or green. Hopefully available at June of this year. So we're looking forward to see what everybody does with these. Make sure to follow Geauga Firearms Academy and see what they're doing as well, guys.
Hi there, my name's Don. I'm with EOTech. We're at the 2013 NRA show. And I want to tell you real quickly about our eFlex. This is a reflex sight, and we have 2 different models, 3 MOA dot and a 6 MOA dot. Turn it on with the up arrow, it'll stay on indefinitely. If you turn it on with the down arrow, it'll stay on for 12 hours. Top load battery, you get about 20,000 hours. Customizable to any pistol. If you'd like it in black or tan, we have both you covered.
Hi, I'm Owen with Blade Tech. This is our new Tech Mount Quick Connect mounting system. It consists of the disc and the receiver. The disc slides in and automatically locks at whatever angle. You use the release tab right there to pull it out. This switch on either side just makes it so that release tab can't accidentally be depressed. You can mount these discs on pretty much any carried gear, so that's going to be your Safariland, Blackhawk, G-Code holsters, as well as you can mount it direct to MOLLE, bag pouches, knife sheaths, anything of that nature. The receiver can be attached to MOLLE attachments, belt attachments, or you can mount it on the truck, side of the bed, onto the desk, wherever you might need it.